Temperatures should be taken twice daily and recorded in the Shield diary. Always separate raw and cooked food in the fridge. Clean film all containers that go in the fridge to protect them from contamination, making sure you double wrap, unless the containers have a suitable lid. Label all food, making sure the label has date made, use by date, your initials and what it is. Rotate stock, first in and first out. Keep large containers at the back and small containers at the front of the fridge. Do not leave raw food out at any time.